Hello, my dear and beloved subscribers. My name is Polly and I have been involved in trading for quite a while to share my knowledge with someone else. That's why I created my YouTube channel. I'm really happy to see new subscriptions to the channel, so if you're already started watching this video and you're interested in trading, be sure to subscribe. I share everything I know about trading here. Alright, let's begin the trading session. I will come across an interesting scenario worth our attention: the euro GBP currency pair. On the chart, we can identify a robust support zone that has been tested multiple times. What is catching my attention now is the ongoing accumulation pace. This accumulation could lead to a breakout at any moment. Considering that this, the best approach for now is to exercise patterns and closely observe the price movement. Our focus is to understand the direction it will take next. In general, this situation reversals the process of strong zones above and below the current price. There is a resistance zone above and a support zone below, and the price is oscillating between these levels. Since the recent rebound happened from the bottom, we can enter a 3-minute trade with $300 on the upside. Initially, I had planned to wait for a slight price retracement before entering a long position. However, no expected retracement occurred, and the resist candles were quite small. As a result, I anticipate the price will gradually move towards the upper resistance zone. My estimation is that this upward movement will take around 2 minutes, perhaps a bit longer. Nonetheless, I'm confident that the price will steadily move upwards. The initial impulse from the support zone are promising, with a few more such impulses to trade with close with the profit. And now let's patiently await its completion. There are only 2 minutes left in this trade. With only 10 seconds remaining, the trade is approaching a confident profit, and they have no concerns about an unexpected last-second moves that might result in a sudden loss from downward swing. Overall, everything is going according to plan as anticipated. As expected, here is a profit I was aiming for. This trade was elevated to $267 in the profit. Today has been a good day, with just one loss before this, however, all other trades has been profitable, which boosts my confidence. Now let's explore potential opportunities on different currency pairs. I recall spotting something interesting elsewhere. Let's start by examining the euro GBP currency pair. I'm somewhat undecided about it, as both long and short positions are available. The uncertainty leads me to skip this currency pair for now and shift my focus to the British pound against the Canadian dollar. Here we included an intriguing scenario with the price near a support zone. If the price breaks this support zone, I will consider going short. Absolutely, there is an option to go long if the price fails to break the support zone. Currently, I'm inclining towards the price breaking the support zone. A triangle pattern appears to be forming on the chart, albeit somewhat distorted. Despite the distortion, I'm willing to take a risk and to go long, considering that the historical price rebounds from this level. And I have entered the trade, and now I just need to exercise patience for a little over 2 minutes. Let's now see the outcome of this trade. I initiated another trade with a value of $600. The reason behind this decision is the price approached the support zone directly. The motivation stems from the observation of very weak volatility, characterized by small candle sizes and sluggish pace of a price movement. The market is currently exhibiting a feeble activity and low volatility, and in such situations there might not be enough time for a substantial rebound, and even a slight fluctuation of 2-3 pips can play a significant role on varying losses. This trade serves as a protective measure. The price comes close to the support zone, where other trades are buying, hence my decision to open another long trade as a backup plan. I don't expect the price to break the support zone, as I have doubts about the breakout altogether. So instead, it appears that the round has initiated, thus let's patiently wait for the remaining 2 minutes and continue. Now let's shift our attention to the next currency pairs to identify any potential interesting setups. On the USD CAD currency pair, we can already observe something noteworthy. The chart depicts a minor and downtrend with an ongoing accumulation pace. Furthermore, the price currently lies in the upper boundary of the accumulation channel. Overall, this situation presents an opportunity for a short position, allowing us to profit comfortably. Let's open a short trade on the USD CAD currency pair. Additionally, the payout percentage for this trade is promising. Nevertheless, we need to find confirmation before proceeding. Alright, the reason behind my desire to go short are twofold. Firstly, there is a clear and robust downward movement at different of the chart, encompassing a considerable decline both globally and locally. Secondly, a resistance zone is present, and the nearest support zone is situated as a significant distance below. The current price movement occurs within a channel from the support zone to the resistance zone. A brief update on the trade involving the British pound and Canadian dollar currency pair showed that the first trade for $300 were soon closed with a profit, followed by the overlapping trade is about 15 seconds. The combined result is expected to yield a substantial profit of over $700. I'm pleased when both the main trade and the overlapping trade turned out to be successful, akin to returning a Christmas gift. Given the success of this trade, the short position of USD CAD is no longer of great importance. Even if this trade ends in a loss, which is always a possibility due to the inherent uncertainty of market analysis, I have already offset that potential loss with a $528 profit earned from the $600 trade. Consequently, any loss incurred will slightly reduce the significant profit accumulated today. Let's patiently wait for a trade outcome. It appears that the trade is likely to end with a loss, and I'm not pleased with this prospect. So, I don't like concluding a trading session on a negative note with a losing trade. To maintain a positive overall performance, I will open an overlapping trade for $600, which will last for 5 minutes. Choosing a 5-minute duration allows for a small time buffer during which the price could potentially move upward. Analyzing the previous high for this period, I noticed that the price experienced a downtrend bounce approximately 1 minute after reaching the peak. To account for this possibility, I'm giving myself a brief time buffer to handle any potential downside movements from a new high. Overall, the current situation is quite favorable with the 4 profitable trades and only 1 loss. This is excellent progress. The trade is now rapidly approaching its conclusion with 20 seconds remaining, or maybe even just 15 seconds. The overlapping trade is performing well and moving into profit smoothly. The decision to opt for a 5-minute duration was the right one, as it allowed me to avoid unnecessary nervousness during those green candle. The price remained stagnant during the first 2 minutes and only started to decline significantly in the 3rd minute. This situation highlights the importance of considering the time frame when trading binary options. It's crucial to choose the appropriate duration to protect against losses caused not by poor analysis or entry points by mere bad luck. In such cases, it's advisable to opt for longer duration with a buffer such as 6, 7, or even up to 10 minutes to exercise additional caution and safeguards against random losses. Thank you for your attention, and I'm delighted that you watched the video thus far. If you enjoyed it, I kindly request you to show your support by liking it. Additionally, I encourage you to subscribe to both my YouTube channel and of course my Telegram channel to stay updated with my content. I appreciate your support much. Bye.